In this tutorial, I will show you how we can add baseboard hot water heating coil in OpenStudio. And the purpose of that is to improve zone heating efficiency. Firstly, you need to understand that this system has two main parts, the plant loop and the second part, which is the equipment. Now, let's go to the HVAC system tab to add plant loop. And to do so, we can simply click here on the plus button to add an HVAC system from our templates. Let's choose this one, for instance, package rooftop, valve with reheat. Add to model. This system has valve with reheat, chilled water loop, condenser water loop, and hot water loop. We will keep only hot water loop. For the others, we can remove them. We can remove as well adiabatic pipes. And for our baseboard hot water heating coil, it will be right here. For this one, we can remove it, coil heating water. And to add it, we need only to go to the thermal zone tab. And from the library, we can just search for the baseboard convective water, drag, then drop into zone equipments. Something very important, you need to attach it to the plant loop. Then, don't forget to add heating thermostat schedule from my model. Let's choose this one, large office, heating set points. Now, let's run the simulation. As you can see here, our simulation ran successfully. Now let's check results. And something very important, you need to check it if your system does function well or not. And to do so, you can just click on Annual Overview to see the end use right here. As you can see here, we have the energy consumption for the heating, which means that our system does function well. That's it. Thanks for watching.